In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, a new player has emerged, taking the market by storm. Temu, launched in 2022, is a Boston-based online retailer backed by PDD Holdings, a seasoned player in the Chinese e-commerce market. With a clear mission to offer consumers an extensive range of products at incredibly affordable prices, Temu has quickly become a force to be reckoned with. Temu's rapid rise can be attributed to its unique approach to e-commerce. The company's core principle revolves around cutting out the middlemen and working directly with manufacturers. This allows Temu to offer products at significantly lower prices than traditional retailers. This disruptive model has resonated with budget-conscious consumers, propelling Temu into the spotlight. Temu's success story is just beginning. The company's commitment to affordability, coupled with its innovative business model, positions it as a major disruptor in the e-commerce landscape. As Temu continues to expand its reach and product offerings, it will be fascinating to witness its impact on the future of online shopping. At the heart of Temu's success lies its innovative business model. Unlike traditional retailers who rely on complex supply chains and intermediaries, Temu has streamlined the process, connecting directly with manufacturers. This direct-to-consumer approach eliminates unnecessary markups, allowing Temu to offer products at remarkably low prices. By partnering with manufacturers, Temu gains access to a vast network of suppliers, ensuring a diverse and extensive product catalog. From fashion and electronics to home goods and beauty products, Temu offers something for everyone. This wide selection, combined with its unbeatable prices, has made Temu a one-stop shop for value-conscious consumers. This efficient and cost-effective model has allowed Temu to pass on significant savings to its customers. The elimination of intermediaries not only reduces prices, but also gives Temu greater control over product quality and availability. This direct relationship with manufacturers is fundamental to Temu's value proposition and a key driver of its success. In a crowded e-commerce market, effective marketing is crucial for any new entrant to stand out. Temu understands this well and has implemented a savvy marketing strategy that leverages the power of social media and influencer marketing. Recognizing the influence of social media platforms, Temu has established a strong presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Through engaging content, eye-catching visuals, and interactive campaigns, Temu has successfully captured the attention of its target audience, millennials and Gen Z consumers. The company's social media strategy goes beyond simply showcasing products. It focuses on building a community around the brand, encouraging user-generated content, and creating a sense of belonging. In addition to social media, Temu has strategically partnered with influencers across various niches. By collaborating with influencers who align with its brand values and target audience, Temu has been able to reach a wider audience and build credibility. These partnerships often involve product reviews, unboxing videos, and exclusive discount codes, incentivizing followers to make a purchase. Section 4. The customer is king, building trust through experience. In the competitive world of e-commerce, providing a positive customer experience is paramount to building trust and loyalty. Temu recognizes this and has made customer satisfaction a top priority. The company has implemented several initiatives to ensure a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience for its users. One of Temu's key strengths is its user-friendly website and mobile app. The platform is designed for easy navigation, allowing customers to browse products, compare prices, and make purchases with ease. Temu also offers multiple payment options, secure checkout processes, and transparent shipping information, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Furthermore, Temu has a dedicated customer support team available 24/7 to assist customers with any queries or concerns. Whether it's tracking an order, initiating a return, or seeking product information, Temu's customer support team is readily available to provide prompt and helpful assistance. This commitment to customer service has earned Temu positive reviews and fostered trust among its growing customer base. Section 5. A rocky road ahead, challenges in a crowded marketplace. While Temu's rapid rise is undeniable, the company faces several challenges in the ever-competitive e-commerce landscape. The online retail market is notoriously crowded, with established giants like Amazon and a plethora of niche players vying for market share. To thrive in this environment, Temu must constantly innovate and differentiate itself from the competition. One of the primary challenges Temu faces is building brand awareness and recognition. While the company has made significant strides in marketing, it still lags behind its more established competitors in terms of brand visibility. Overcoming this challenge will require continued investment in marketing and advertising campaigns that effectively communicate Temu's unique value proposition to a wider audience. Another challenge for Temu is managing its rapid growth while maintaining operational efficiency. As the company expands its customer base and product offerings, it must ensure that its logistics, supply chain, and customer support infrastructure can handle the increased demand. Failure to do so could result in shipping delays, inventory issues, and a decline in customer satisfaction, ultimately hindering Temu's growth trajectory. Section 6. Quality over quantity, addressing concerns, building confidence. Temu's commitment to affordability has raised concerns among some consumers about product quality. While the company's direct-to-consumer model allows for lower prices, it also means that Temu must be diligent in ensuring the quality of the products it offers. Addressing these concerns is crucial for Temu to build long-term trust and loyalty among its customer base. To mitigate quality concerns, Temu needs to implement rigorous quality control measures throughout its supply chain. This includes vetting manufacturers thoroughly, conducting regular product inspections, and establishing clear quality standards that all suppliers must adhere to. By prioritizing quality control, Temu can demonstrate its commitment to providing customers with value-for-money products that meet their expectations. Transparency is also key to building trust and addressing quality concerns. Temu should be upfront about its sourcing practices, providing customers with information about the manufacturers it works with and the origins of its products. Additionally, Temu can leverage customer reviews and ratings to provide potential buyers with insights into product quality. Encouraging customers to share their experiences, both positive and negative, can help foster transparency and build trust in the Temu brand. Section 7. A giant in the making, Temu's future in e-commerce. Temu's meteoric rise in the e-commerce industry has been remarkable. Its innovative business model and customer-centric approach have positioned it as a potential giant. However, Temu must navigate challenges strategically to secure long-term success. Maintaining competitive pricing is crucial for Temu's future. Optimizing operations and leveraging manufacturer relationships are key. Adapting to changing consumer preferences and market trends is essential. Expanding product offerings and enhancing the online experience will help. Staying ahead of the curve ensures continued relevance. In conclusion, Temu's journey is just beginning, but its impact is significant. Its disruptive model and customer focus have driven rapid growth. Temu must address challenges strategically to secure its future in e-commerce.